Okay, now I do have more than enough. Actually, it's all done. I just wanted to show you just a few more tips. Okay. I noticed when some of these actually have, there was one that I left so I could show you it. It had there you go, commas or quotations right here. So make sure you remove those. That's that. And if you don't like the spacing, so what I usually do is I just paste it on notes and then I give it the structure that I want, and then I copy it from there and paste it here. Okay, so now we are going to create social media post images. Okay, to make it easy, simple, I mean, we could do as detailed, we could go as detailed as we want, but initially I want you to do it a few times just so you know. And again, I am a big believer, and my students know this, and I know they're ready for this. Done is better than perfect. Okay, first do it a few times. We can talk about making it perfect later, but the whole point is take action and just get some content out. Okay, people, you're doing this service to your people. They don't know about your product, they don't know what you offer, and I think it's our duty as entrepreneurs to keep letting people know what we offer so that we can help them. Okay, so I just chose social media, and I'm gonna go with just a square post because it'll look good on Instagram as well as Facebook, because in this case study we don't have Twitter and we don't have LinkedIn. And again, square posts show really well on LinkedIn as well, but then we'll talk about other images. For now, we are going to do bulk imaging right here. So Instagram post, you're going to go to photos, and we are going to choose photos. So my recommendation is, if you want to do this quickly and not spend a lot of time on this, and it's my personal observation that people get really tired of just looking at our logo. So I do want to add multiple just general images, because that will attract more eyes, that'll attract more traffic than a picture with a logo at all times. My personal opinion as well as my personal experience. Okay, it could be even your image too, just so that image is usually for pattern interrupt. So if it's the same type, then people are going to be not even want to look at your post. So kind of give them that interruption, right? So they stop, and most of the people I've seen that what they do is image has got nothing to do with the post, okay? And they usually put that in the end. Image is only for attention, because everyone looks at the image first, then they read. So just multiple ways of doing it, depending on how you want yours done or how your client wants it. So we're going to do, let's do gut health. Oh, I don't want this. Okay, maybe we could use this, just simple. Just stand out, okay? Then we could do this. The image does not have to be the same exact thing. Usually we're doing this for pattern interrupt, just so that people have something different to look at. That's all. Okay. Okay, so, and this is a good one. Now, you can, as a bulk create option in Canva, add your logo to all of these. I still don't recommend doing that, just because it will draw more attention. So go ahead and create these. I will cover how to create custom images in another video, or just add your logo to this one, but let me complete this and I'll be right back. All right, so I typed gut health and I got some images. Then I typed fermented drinks. Then I got some images. I typed picky eater, then I typed probiotic. So I just got these random but beautiful images. Like these are gonna catch attention. And then some kids zoomed in. I could do some zoomed in. I could make them even more zoomed in. I wanted to show like this. There you go. And then the rest is good. So this took me not even 10 minutes, to be honest. And since I did not do any customization, I want just attention grabbing good images. That's what you should do. And then these can be reposted, reshared with multiple posts, just an FYI. So we don't really need, I don't know, 365 days worth of 365 images and then the next year another 365. I don't think that's even a thing, but this is how we're going to do it. Just to make it quick, easy on the eyes, beautiful on the eyes actually. And then so I'm going to go ahead and download these, and then I'll show you how we are going to upload these. Okay, now that we have downloaded all the images from Canva, we are going to upload it into our system. And we're going to go to settings at the very bottom, media. We're going to open media library. We are going to upload files. You see that these are, I just uploaded 10, so all 10 of them are being uploaded because I had like 31, so I'm going to do more. Okay, I've uploaded all the images. This says 33 items, so well, yeah, this is 2, and then I may have uploaded it twice. I don't know. Okay, so this is how easy it is. You can take, you can click on copy here too, but I'm not going to do that. I will close this. Now, we are going to take, let's assume we take the first one. Actually, let's go see what it says. The first one is, okay, the kombucha tea, or however that is. So where's the tea? Right there. So here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click and I'm going to get link. Okay, and that's been copied. I go back to the CSV. The column that says image URLs, I am going to just paste it here, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and add all this. Let me just do a few more. Again, this is the same T. Yeah, so let me find another one which has, I know there were a few of those, just can't find it now. Okay, so let me add the rest of them and I will be right back.